Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our warm and friendly English learning podcast. My name is Jessica. I'm really happy you are here with us today. Wherever you are right now, at home, at work, or maybe traveling, I hope you feel comfortable and relaxed. This is your time, a small, quiet moment just for you and your English.
Hello, everyone. My name is David. Thank you so much for spending your time with us today. We truly appreciate it. We know life can be busy, so the fact that you are here means a lot to us.
Yes, it really does. And we want you to know something important. This is a safe and calm place to learn English. There is no pressure here, no stress, no fear of mistakes.
That's right. You do not need perfect English. You do not need big words. You only need simple English.
And you only need to try. That's enough. Trying is learning.
Today, we will learn together, step by step, slowly.
Comfortably, like a friendly conversation between friends.
So please relax your shoulders, take a deep breath.
You're doing great already. Just by listening, you are improving. Before we start, we have a small and friendly reminder. If you enjoy learning English with us, please like this video. It tells us that you are enjoying the lesson.
And if you are new here, please subscribe to our channel. We make these podcasts to help you feel confident and calm in English.
You can also share this podcast with a friend or family member who wants to learn English but feels shy or nervous.
Learning is easier when we learn together.
Thank you so much for your support. Now, take another deep breath.
And let's begin.
Today's topic is very important and very human. It is something we all feel every single day, even if we don't talk about it.
Yes, that's right. Today we are talking about feelings.
Talking about feelings in English, simple feelings, real feelings.
How you feel in the morning, how your day is going, how your heart feels inside.
Many English learners feel shy when talking about feelings. They think, what word should I use? Or, what if I say it wrong?
And that's very normal. Many people feel the same way.
But please don't worry. Today we will keep everything very simple.
Yes, no difficult words, no long sentences,
Just simple words, real examples.
and a friendly conversation, like two friends talking over tea.
So relax, smile a little, and enjoy learning. Let's start with very easy words, basic feeling words that you can use every day.
These are words you already know. You just need confidence to use them.
David, I will ask you a simple question. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. I'm a little excited too.
That's a feeling already. Okay, David. How are you today?
I am good today. I feel happy today.
That's nice to hear. You sound happy. Why do you feel happy today?
Well, I slept well last night. No alarm noise, no stress.
Oh, that's a big reason to feel happy.
Yes, and I had a nice breakfast. Warm food and hot tea.
That sounds lovely. So, listeners, did you hear that? David used very simple words.
Yes, I didn't use big words.
You can simply say, I feel happy.
That's it. Very simple.
Other easy feeling words are happy, sad, tired. Okay,
These words are small but very powerful.
let's try another example. David, ask me now.
Okay, Jessica, how are you today?
Today I feel okay.
Just okay, not happy?
Yes, just okay. Not very happy, not sad,
So nothing bad happened?
nothing bad, nothing special. Just a normal day.
That's very normal. Many days are like that.
Yes, and it's okay to feel okay. You don't need to feel happy every day.
That's an important lesson. Now let's talk about tiredness. Many people feel tired,
Yes, especially after work or after a long day.
or after studying English for many hours.
Yes, But don't worry, learning English is still good.
Jessica, do you ever feel tired?
Oh, yes, of course. I feel tired in the evening.
What makes you tired?
Work makes me tired, and sometimes too much screen time.
Ah, yes, phones and computers.
When I feel tired, I say, I feel tired.
Very easy. No stress.
Sometimes I also say, I need rest.
That sounds very human.
Yes, and very honest.
Listeners, you can say, I feel tired today.
Or if you are really tired, I am very tired.
Both are perfect.
No need to explain everything. Just say how you feel.
Simple English, real feelings.
And that's how we talk about feelings in English. Calm, simple, and confident.
Now let's talk about sad feelings. This part is a little quiet, but it is very important.
Yes, it is important. Because feeling sad is part of life.
Feeling sad is normal. It does not mean something is wrong with you.
That's right. Everyone feels sad sometimes. Even happy people feel sad on some days.
Jessica, can I ask you a personal question?
Of course. Go ahead.
When do you feel sad?
I feel sad when I miss my family. Sometimes I think about them, and my heart feels a little heavy.
That is very honest and very human.
Yes. When I feel that way, I say, I feel sad today.
Simple, clear, and very real.
You don't need big words to talk about sad feelings. Simple words are enough,
Sometimes people ask, how are you?
and you don't feel good inside.
In that case, you can say, I'm not feeling good today.
That sentence is very natural. Many people use it.
You can say it slowly. You can say it softly.
And that is okay. Your feelings matter.
Listeners, remember this. You don't need to smile all the time.
It is okay to be honest about your feelings. Now let's talk about happy feelings again. This part feels lighter.
Yes, I like this part. It makes me smile.
Me too. Happy feelings are nice to share.
Jessica, what makes you happy?
I feel happy when I drink tea and read a book. It is a quiet moment just for me.
That sounds very peaceful. I can almost see you with a cup of tea.
Yes, warm tea, a good book, and no noise.
That does sound happy.
I also feel happy when I talk to my friends. Even a short call can make me smile.
That's lovely. Small things can bring big happiness.
Exactly. And you can talk about it in simple English.
You can say, I feel happy today.
Or you can say, I feel good.
Both are easy. Both are natural.
You don't need to explain everything, just share the feeling. Now let's talk about likes and dislikes. This is a fun way to talk about feelings.
Yes, because what we like often shows how we feel.
David, let me ask you first. What do you like?
I like morning walks, especially early in the morning.
Nice. How do they make you feel?
They make me feel calm and fresh. The air feels clean, and my mind feels quiet.
That's a great feeling word. Calm.
Yes, it's a very good feeling.
Now your turn. Ask me.
Okay. Jessica, what do you like?
I like listening to music. I listen to music when I feel tired.
And how does music make you feel?
It makes me feel relaxed. Sometimes it even makes me feel happy again.
Music is powerful.
Yes, it really is.
Now let's talk about dislikes. This can be fun too.
David, what do you dislike?
I dislike loud noise. It hurts my ears and my head.
How does it make you feel?
It makes me feel stressed and tired.
That's very honest and very clear.
Listeners, you can talk about likes and dislikes easily.
Simple English, real feelings, and a little fun too.
Now let's use feelings in real life. This is where English becomes useful and fun.
Yes, simple situations that happen every day. No books, no exams, just real life. Imagine this. You are at work. You see a coworker in the morning.
Your friend smiles and asks, how are you today?
This is a very common question. People ask it all the time.
You don't need a long answer. You can say, I feel tired, but okay.
That answer is perfect. It is honest and polite.
It tells the truth, but it is still friendly.
You can also add a small smile. That always helps.
Now imagine you are with friends, maybe sitting together or talking on the phone.
A friend asks you, "How are you feeling?"
This question is a little more personal.
Yes, and you can answer simply.
You can say, I feel happy today.
Short, clear, friendly.
Your friend will understand you.
And maybe they will smile too. Now let's go home. You are with family.
Someone looks at you and asks, What's wrong?
Maybe they see your face. Maybe you are quiet.
You don't need to explain everything.
You can simply say, "I feel a little sad."
That's enough. Very clear.
Simple words can say a lot.
Jessica, many English learners feel shy when talking about feelings.
Yes, and that's completely okay. Feeling shy is also a feeling.
You don't need perfect English to talk about feelings.
People understand simple words. They listen to your voice and your heart.
Your feeling is more important than perfect English.
Speak slowly. There is no rush.
Speak honestly. That is more important than big words.
And don't forget to smile. Even a small smile can give you confidence. Now let's do a small and easy recap.
You can say, I feel happy.
I feel sad.
I feel tired.
I feel okay.
You can talk about likes.
And dislikes too.
Very simple English.
Very real feelings. Now it's your turn. Yes, you.
We really want to hear from you.
Please write in the comments below.
Answer this simple question.
How do you feel today?
You can write, I feel happy.
Or, I feel tired today.
Any answer is good. There is no wrong answer.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
We are proud of you for practicing your English.
You are doing something great for yourself, step by step.
Keep going. Keep practicing.
We will see you again very soon.
Take care of yourself.
And remember, bye for now.
Goodbye, everyone.